Amazon review day plus how to install a hitch on a 2005 to 2012 Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner. This is a 2-inch receiver, or a Mazda Tribute 05 to 2011. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, this hitch was made by some company called Kuafu or something. Comes in 3 pieces: the main middle body, we got the passenger side, we got the driver's side already up here. You can see we got 1 bolt right there, and then 2 coming in from the side. If you go to the passenger side, we already got this one set and this one set. Pretty sure no drilling required for 07 to 2012. I think that's how it is. Don't take my word for it. This is a very easy hitch to install. The only tricky part is if you've never used a bolt fisher. So we're gonna put the curly Q end through the hole where our mounts go. And then it's gonna feed backwards through this opening right here. So you can see it. I need my other hand to pull it through with my pinky. Feed this little curly Q through. There we go. I got the curly Q. All right, now go to the curly Q. There's that. We are going to take one of our blocks. We're gonna put it over it, and we're gonna feed it through this access hole right there, and give her a good push as far forward as you can with your fingers. There we go. Take our bolt and thread it onto the pig's tail there. Now we're gonna pull our string that's going through the hole and feed our bolt through the access hole. And then we're gonna pull right over here. And you might have to give it a little wiggle jiggle to get it to go through. There we go. And now we can unthread the wire from our bolt. And we got our 3 bolts in place. Here's the part that helps to have a helper. And we're gonna put that bracket, line it up with the 3 holes. We wanna be very careful that our bolts right here do not go into our frame. I mean, that's as easy it is. If you got 2 people, you know, just slip it right where the holes go. Boom. I needed both my hands for that, but see, we got the bracket, hold it up there, all the bolts through their spots, 1, 2, 3, and now we can put our washers on. You'll see these washers come with little teeth. They bite into it. So we're gonna put a washer on first. And the whole time, do not push these bolts back into the frame. Then you'll be in trouble. Boom. Now we put all 3 of our washer and nuts on, and we're gonna just get them finger tight. We're not gonna hit it to 110 foot-pounds yet. All right, now it's time to put the hitch up. This is another great opportunity to have a buddy. Does it go this way or this way? This way, right?
This way, I would think, with a chain down.
I'm thinking if you just hold your side up, I can put the bolts through.
I line yours up.
All right, so you're gonna need 18 and 19 millimeter for your hardware. I got a little universal socket right here. Really helps out. With the reduced torque of this universal set on, I don't know, power 2, ought to be right around 110 foot-pounds. We may need a wrench, we may not. Let's see what happens. So we left everything just finger tight, so we have a little bit of movement. Now we can tighten everything together. On these guys, we gotta go ratchet.
Okay.
Can't get the impact of it. This one up top.
Okay.
That's hitch receiver installation. Mercury Mariner, Ford Escape, Mazda, whatever. Cool. Not that bad. Half hour for a professional if he's really cruising. But plan for an hour. DIYer, hour to 2 hours. You know, if you've never installed one before, not too bad. All right, here's our finished products. Easy peasy. Just ordered 4-way plug and play, easy, no wire splicing, off Amazon. So I'll be making a video on installing that. Nothing much to it. I didn't add this hitch. It was the most affordable, easy to install one I could find. That'll be added to my Amazon store under automotive products, I believe. Or car product parts and accessories from videos. Yeah, that's a better category. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out. Click the link if you need one, or go to my store. It'll be in that category. Make me some commish. See ya.